These Pottery Barn gingerbread house dupes are the cutest. Such a look for less. If you guys love the look of that gingerbread house at Pottery Barn but don't want to spend the money, this is a great option for you. I finally got my hands on them. I'm so excited. Can you even with this Anthropology dupe on the bubble glasses? These are so cute. This is the candy cane version. And then here is the wreath. So excited to add these to my collection, and I will be picking up 4 more. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kayla, and I'm so happy to have you here today for part 2 of my Hobby Lobby 2024 Christmas decor haul. I'm so excited to share with you guys what else I picked up this year. I did post a Hobby Lobby decor haul part 1 about a month ago. I'm gonna link that down below because I'm not showing any of those items here today in this haul. This is probably going to be my last Hobby Lobby decor haul. I am going to be now shopping Target, HomeGoods, and Kirkland's this month, and I'll bring you guys a cumulative decor haul then after I pick up those items. But for now, I wanted to show you guys the remainder of the items I picked up from Hobby Lobby this year and some ideas of how I'm going to style them. Let's dive into these bags and I'll show you guys what I picked up today. If you guys watched my 2024 Christmas decor design inspiration, you guys know I want to DIY some nutcrackers. So I saw the nutcrackers in the craft section. I got this little one for $6.99. Well, of course there's 50% off, so it was $3.50, and it comes with paints. It's like for a kid to do, but this is the one I'm going to actually practice on first to make sure I do a good job before I move on to the bigger one. So I did get 2 additional sizes of the nutcrackers, and if this one turns out good, I'll stack them maybe together, or I don't know. We'll see what I do with this one, but this is gonna be my practice one. These are the 2 sizes of nutcrackers I am hoping to DIY, make it look like a bronze nutcracker. This one was $9 with a discount. It is 18 inches, and then this one was $5 with the discount, and it is 12 inches. So I thought they would look good kind of stacked together if the little one turns out. If not, you can always stain these like a darker wood stain. I know Studio McGee is coming out with one that is a darker wood stain. I know Kirkland's has some beautiful gold bronze nutcrackers as well. So these are just going to be a look for less that I can DIY myself. If you guys like the look of these, I don't mind this either. So you guys can always just get these and put them out for your Christmas decor for just a more affordable nutcracker piece. If you guys watched part 1 of my Hobby Lobby decor haul, you'll know I have already picked up the dark green, cream, and black Hobby Lobby flocked ornaments, but I did want the browns, so I picked up a box of this size and then this size. Love this color, but I am looking for the really dark brown. My store doesn't have any in stock yet. These were in the back. Don't be afraid to ask people at your Hobby Lobby if they have these in the back, because sometimes they just haven't put them out yet, or maybe they just unloaded them off the truck. So that's what happened with these. I did not get them on the shelves. These were in the back, and I had my gal Sherry at Hobby Lobby get these out for me, and I so appreciate that. They are just a stunning color. So this size was $20 without the discount, so $10 for this one, and then this size is $14 without the discount, so $7 for this. So $10 and $7, $17 for a good amount of ornaments, and I love the color. The next thing I got is this tree. It was $4, and it is a stunning like brown color with gold, which is totally what I'm doing on my tree. So if you look at how it looks with these ornaments, I mean, my neutral heart is just, I love this one. And I think it would be pretty in our living room somewhere, maybe on the entryway or even the kitchen table, because it does really tie in the browns on the tree in other areas of the house. So I love this little tabletop decor, and I think it's gonna go perfect. I picked up several of these little bell picks, so you can stick them in a garland or your tree, and it has 4 different bells on it that are attached. They're zip tied together, and I don't want to scratch them. That's why they are wrapped, but I unwrapped this one so you guys could see. So you could totally maneuver these in. My plan for these is to put them in the cedar garland on my kitchen table and kind of stick it in there and have the bells laying on top. I think these are so pretty, and I got 4 of these. I'm not sure if they'll all go in that cedar garland. I might return one or two just depending on how many I use, but you can separate these to kind of spread over a wide area of the garland. So I think these are so pretty and not too big for a 6 feet table with the garland on top. If you guys watch my Christmas tree unboxing, you'll know I got the 4 feet pre-lit My Texas House tree that I'm going to put on one side of my mantle. So my plan is to have my cedar garland draped over one side for a more asymmetrical look, and then on the other side I plan to have on the floor the 4-foot tree. And then I picked up this sleigh to go with it. So I think this is going to be so pretty there on the floor on next to my mantle. And what I plan to do is roll up a green throw blanket in here, and also I have a small dark green Christmas tree pillow that I got from the Target dollar spot a while ago, and I'm going to put that in here and kind of set this up to be like Santa's sleigh. I think it's so pretty, and this was $25 with the discount, and I just love how neutral and organic it is, and I think it's gonna go really nice next to the My Texas House 4-foot tree. On the shopping portion of this video, you probably saw that I went back to the sewing area and was looking for ribbon, and I found a ton of it, and I picked up a ton of it because you just never know how far those are going to get you when you're making bows. Especially what's trending right now is like the really long tails on the bows. So I picked up a ton of ribbon. So I picked up thick ribbon and I picked up thin ribbon. So I really want to add burgundy, but I don't want to buy a bunch of new decor. So what I plan to do is add burgundy with ribbon. So this is some of the thicker burgundy ribbon that I purchased. They're not all the same brand. So this Christmas one was in the Christmas section, and this is a little bit different color than you'll see on this one. I'm just not going to put them in the same area, so that way it's not like it clashes. So this was $3. This Merchant 41 brand is what I found in the sewing section. This is 1.5 inches and it's 3 yards on this spool. It was $5, but it had 40% off. So this one is so pretty. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it in here, but it has the frayed edges. And so I'm not sure if I'm going to use that on some wreaths that I hang or use it to make bows, but I thought this was so pretty. And then I got a ton of this decorative trim, Merchant 41. This is in the color Garnet. It's so pretty. This is, let me see here, 1 inch and it has 2 yards. It was $3.49, but again, this was 40% off. So I got this color ribbon. And then I got a ton of the thin ribbon because I love the look of the thin bows on the trees. And so this is the 3/8 of an inch, comes with 2 yards. And I think also putting these as hooks for your ornaments are so pretty. So I got the burgundy color and I got the brown color. And I'm not sure which one I am going to use for my ornaments, because I also picked up 2 of these. And this is, again, the Merchant 41. This was $8 regular price, but it had the 40% off. And I picked up 2 of these and it had all different color neutral velvet ribbon. And I plan to do a few things with this. Of course, you can use them for ornament hooks on your tree, but then you can also tie for your napkins. You can tie a bow around your napkins on your place settings, which I plan to do. So I'm going to use a lot of this ribbon, and I probably won't use all the colors, but I'll have some for the next year if I want to switch up the colors. So I got 2 of these as well. So on our shopping trip to Hobby Lobby, I told you it's really important to check the clear tubs above the shelves for items that maybe they haven't put out yet, but you know they're gonna go viral and sell out really quick. You can always snag them from the tubs if you want to, and if you're brave enough to ask an employee. And honestly, I've never had them be upset about me asking them to climb up the ladder and get those items. They've always been really gracious at my Hobby Lobby, and so I was on the hunt for some very specific things that I wanted in their kitchen section that they haven't put out yet. They're not gonna put out their kitchen stuff at my store until all of the fall stuff has sold and gone. So I knew what I was looking for. I checked the top tubs and I'm so excited with what I found. I'm still looking for a couple of different designs of these, but this is a total Anthropologie dupe. These little glasses are part of the Robert Stanley line. They are regularly $15, but $7.50 with the 50% off. And I got 2 versions of them. I am waiting to get more because I want 6. There's 4 versions. I got the wreath version, which, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? And then I got the candy cane version. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I never bought glasses like this before. I know it's an Anthropologie dupe. I know they sell some at Home Goods and Marshalls. I know they sell some at home, but I love these. I love them. I am so excited to put them on my table. And they also have a Christmas tree version and a Santa hat version. So I'm going to get 6 of them. Maybe I'll get 8. So I have 2 of each kind. But I think these are so fun. I mean, just imagine you're setting the table for Christmas morning breakfast after you're done opening presents and you're pouring milk or juice in here, and these are so fun for your kids, and these are things that are going to last for a long time. It's a really thick glass and just a really good quality, so I love these so much. They're so pretty. So I got 2 of these so far because I'm waiting for the other ones to come into stock at my store. 2 other items I found in the clear tubs above the shelves that they haven't put out yet that I know is going to go viral because it's another look for less of Pottery Barn are these gingerbread house plates. So they have these and they have a smaller version. So take a peek at how beautiful those are. If you guys haven't seen the Pottery Barn version of these, they're stunning. They're beautiful. This is as close of a dupe that I'm gonna find for the price point. So these were $8 without the discount, so $4 a piece. I did get 6 because that's how many place settings I have around my table. And they also have the small version for $6, so $3 with the discount. You can stack them on top of each other. You can place a napkin underneath if you wanted to and style it that way. Or I'm gonna pop up a picture here of the snowflake version, and I think I'm gonna go back and get those as well. And what I'm thinking is putting the snowflake version on top of this plate with the napkin underneath. Or what you can do is I have black chargers and plain white plates, and then you can just do the snowflake right on top of that, and I think that's so pretty. So when we eat our breakfast Christmas morning, I always make homemade cinnamon rolls, and then we do some sort of like egg breakfast casserole. I think it's gonna be so fun for the kids to eat on these plates, and I love them. Like, they're so cute. And I had been eyeing the Pottery Barn version for a couple of years now. And I might still splurge on maybe the cookie jar at Pottery Barn if I can't find one somewhere else. But I just love the look of this. And since I'm doing browns in my entryway, it's actually gonna be right back there where my desk is. I just think it's going to tie in all the neutral colors together from the kitchen to the tree to the living room. Everything is gonna have some sort of brown neutral color, and I love these so much. They're so cute. So that is another reason why I think it's important to look above the tubs, because once these hit the shelves, I have no doubt they're going to sell out, especially because when people buy things like this, they're buying several, right? Because you're not gonna set with just one, you're gonna want 4, 6, 8. So I thought it was important to look for those in the clear tubs, find what I wanted, and grab it before they go. So that is all I picked up from Hobby Lobby today on my shopping trip, and that's probably the last, like I said, of my Hobby Lobby decor haul. If I get any other additional pieces, I'm going to film a large cumulative decor haul and I can add those in there, but my next decor haul is going to include the Hearth and Hand, Studio McGee, Home Goods, and Kirkland's Christmas lines. I haven't shopped those yet, so I am going to get my hands on some of those items and show you guys what I picked up there. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me and seeing what I picked up for my neutral Christmas decor haul. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I can't wait to share what we have next. See you soon. Bye.